Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is decorating day, and what you see here is a homemade funfetti cake that I'm filling with chocolate frosting. Funfetti cakes make the best birthday cakes, and that is what this is going to be. This is going to be a 3-layer cake, so I'm putting an even amount of frosting on each layer. I use a piping bag with a round tip to frost the layers, and then I even it out with an offset spatula. Now I'm adding frosting to the sides of the cake and then to the top. When I'm done with this, I need to smooth out the sides and the top, and I have to be honest when I say this is my least favorite part. Sometimes your frosting cooperates and sometimes it doesn't. Today, it's not cooperating. I'm not too worried about the cake being completely smooth since I'm adding a drip down the sides and sprinkles. For the drip, I melted some chocolate with a little butter to get a consistency where it would easily drip down the sides. I'm using a squeeze bottle to apply the chocolate, and I'll go around a second time to encourage it to drip more. I really like adding sprinkles to my funfetti cakes. You can use as much or as little as you want. I put the cake turntable on a baking sheet with sides, and this way it'll catch the extra sprinkles. It's messy, but it's a good messy. I'm using a 1-end tip, and I'm adding ruffly mounds, I guess you could say, for lack of a better word. I was going to space them out, but I changed my mind and decided to connect them all. And then for finishing touches, I'm using more sprinkles on the ruffly mounds and in the middle. And just like that, you have a chocolate funfetti birthday cake. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.